Hi, today we'll look at how to use the camera and its related features in Cadmio on the iPad. Let's start with the very basics, navigating around the viewport. Drag one finger on the screen to rotate the camera. Drag two fingers to pan and use the pinch gesture to zoom. You can double tap anywhere outside your object to frame it in the view. Double tapping on the object, however, makes the camera look at the exact point where you tapped. Let's take a look at the camera panel here on the toolbar. The first slider controls the field of view, while the second adjusts the overall intensity of the depth of field effect. Please note that double tapping on the object also sets the camera's focus point. You can store up to 3 views, including the focus point, field of view, and depth of field intensity. Pressing one of the number buttons will animate the camera and its parameters to the corresponding stored view. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a lock toggle button. Pressing it prevents the camera from moving while still allowing you to adjust the focus point, field of view, and depth of field intensity. This gives you more precise control when setting up views. There's also an automatic turntable function. When you press it, the camera will make a full rotation around the current focus point. If you double tap outside your model to reframe it, the focus point will reset to the center. The last setting in the camera panel is the transition and turntable duration slider. The first number shows how long the transition to a stored view takes, while the second indicates the duration of a full turntable rotation. Stored views and the turntable animation are also available in presentation mode, using these buttons on the right. The camera panel is accessible here too. However, to change the stored views, you'll need to return to edit mode. Finally, let's look at how to export still images and videos of your design. Tap the front-facing camera button to open the export options. You can capture a still image without the UI, or export only your model without the background by enabling Cutout. This generates a transparent PNG, making it easy to insert your design separately into other documents. You can also start recording your screen. Once recording begins, the camera icon changes to this symbol, indicating that recording is in progress. To stop, just press it again and save the clip like any other video. I hope you found this tutorial useful and maybe learned something new. Let us know what you think in the comments, and see you in the next one.